Still water left. After cleaning, towels again. Back pain too? Cleaning revolution. Cordless water vacuum. Clean, spray, suction. 3-in-1 power. Large dirty tank. Clean water tank. Dirty water after cleaning. Collected neatly. Strong suction. Dust and water gone. Bathroom glass. Windows, mirrors, cars. Microfiber pads. Kills germs too. Detachable tanks. Easy to rinse. IPX4 waterproof. No splash worries. Lightweight cleaning. Cordless and easy. Living room, veranda. Bathroom, appliances. Forget heavy vacuums. Go handy and smart. Tiles, wall corners. No stains left. Stress-free cleaning. Neat and simple. No wiping, no drying. Just one handy tool.